Hello, welcome to the new session, which is your Python. In this session, we are going to learn about how you're going to write a SQL Python query codes, how to write your Python scriptings, how you can going to learn data handling from very scratch for a very beginning, very easy to way learn, and this is how this Python can help you. Python generally used for a ETL purpose, ELT purpose, working on creating the ELT pipelines, yeah, and many more things Python can really help you. In these sessions, we going to learn about the Python, and you can start building your own projects with this after this learning of this course. Let's see. I am going to write. I am working on an online compiler. It's easy to use. You don't need to download Jupyter, NumPy, Pandas. It's very easy. So print hello world. I just write it. I run it. See, this is your statement. Here you go. Print. You can write. Now I'll talk about the syntax part. Okay, the next part will be my comments. Okay, generally comments. What help me comments can be do? Comment can be used to explain Python code. Comment can be used to make the code more readable. Comment can be used to prevent execution with testing scores. So yeah, comment can really help. So I can write it way in this way, hello world, and I'll write this is a comment. And I run it. Hello, code execute successfully. Yeah, comment king. Okay, instead of hello world I can say chairs made. Let's see what is it. Chairs made. Okay, now we'll talk about the variables in this part. Variables are containers of storing of data values. Okay, creating a variables, generally a Python has no command for a declare a variable. A variable is a creating the moment you first assign a value to it. Okay, let's see how it's happening. I'm talking about the variables. Let's say x equals to 5, y equals to John. Print x, print y. Okay, print x, print y, and let's see what is it I can get. Something is issue with this part. J y is okay. Sorry, the print should be in the small caps. My bad. See, 5 and John. I'm just writing the print 5 and John. Here you go. So this is your variable with names. Okay, now I'll talk about the variables in your, let's say, multiple of times values. Okay, variables in multiple of way. So what I do is x, y, z. In this scenario we can work in this way: x, y, z equals to orange, banana, cherry, print x, print y, print z. Variables. Let's see what is I can get. Orange, banana, and cherry. Because x is relating to banana and y is relating to this. This is the one we can work on. Okay, but if I'll showcase you in this way, I'll write fruits in this square bracket. Okay, and say x, y, z equals to fruits and print x, y. Let's see what is it I can get. Again, orange, banana, and this is how we are going to learn. Now we'll talk about the output variables. Okay, in this one we are trying to showcase. You say x is Python, y is, z is AWESOME. Okay, print x, y, z, and we run it. Okay, sorry, maybe we have to remove this part. X is print of AWSUME, print X, Y, Z, and run. Okay, line 4, I'm sorry, equals to, yeah, Python is awesome. Python is awesome. So I'm just making the compliance variable compliance. Once we are going to this one. Same way, we can also do a mathematical operation also. X is 5, y equals to 10, and I'm writing with print, let's say x plus y. Let's see. The first one is print x plus y. 15. Awesome. Let's say more example. Let's say x is 5, y equals to John, print x plus y. Oh, my print should be small. What happened? X is 5, John, print x plus y. Online, filing loss of matrix, line 13. Something issue with line 13. Okay, x plus y issue. Not work. 5, John. Awesome. This is how we are going to make it. Now we'll talk about the global variance. Global variable. Global. So global variable generally that's are created outside of a functions, as in all the example in the previous one which I given you, which are known as the global variables. Generally, global variable can be used of everyone both inside of functions and outside of functions. Okay. So one example for this one: x equals to AWESO awesome f my FUNC, this one, print Python is okay plus x my FNC okay, this is the issue here only. Now will it works? Line 20 my sorry, this is some special issue I think. Yeah, this is done. But what output I can get here? Python awesome again. This one, if I only run it, code execute successfully. Okay, this is what I'm getting this out. I thought it will show me Python some awesome. Okay, so this is the very basic which we are going to learn, which I've learned till now. So setting up, printing something. So we have some built-in data types. So we have a few data types which we must know. Okay, number one is your text type, which is your str, which is your second is your numeric types, which is your int, float, complex. Third one is your sequence type, which is your list, tuple, range. Okay. Fourth one is your mapping type, which is your DICT type. Fourth one is your set type, which is your set, float, set. Okay. All you have a boolean type, which is generally your work on bool. Binary type we also have, which is your bytes and what yet. Yeah, this is some data types which generally we have. Data types. Okay. All right. So now we are going to be focus on some few exercise on the data parts only. Okay. Let's say I am going to write x equals to 1, which is my integers, y equals to 2.8, which is my float, z equals to 1j, which is my complex. Now I'll write print type x, print type y, print type z. Okay, something is issue with oh yeah, issues here. Yeah, now it works. See, we got integer, float, and yeah, we got an answer. This is how it works. Okay. Now we are working on the castings part. Castings. Okay. Again. Okay. So there may be a time when you have want to specific type onto a variable. This can be done with your casting Python based on oriented language, such that can be used in integer, floats, and your whatever data types we have given to you. Okay. I'll give you the casting way how you can work it. Let's say x equals to float 1 1. Hashtag x will be 1.0, y equals to float 2.8, hashtag y will be 2.8, z equals to float is your 3 because float, hashtag z will be 3.0, w equals to float 4.2, w will be 4.2. Okay, now I'll just write print x y z w. Let's see what is it I can get. 0 8 0 2. Perfect. This is what castings help me. Yeah, this is what casting helped me. Thank you for this session, guys. We'll see you in the next class.